Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I have another vlog. I really enjoyed the last vlog that I did, and I thought it would be fun to kind of do these sort of weekly-ish to show you what happens in my craft room on a standard week. So, this week, today is Easter Sunday. The kids are out with their dad. They've got to see their granddad for the day, which is smashing because I don't have to go. It's really bad. Yeah, Aunt Family Dynamics are wonderful things. But anyway, so I am, before I get into it properly, I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm based here in the UK, and anything you see on my channel, pretty much, you can get in the Stampin' Up! Catalogue. We are currently in pre-order, demonstrators pre-order for the new catalogue, which I haven't got my copy yet. We are in pre-order for that, and yeah, my pre-order hopefully will arrive this week, so hopefully you'll see that in this video. It hasn't arrived yet, but I did order it late, so I'm not really surprised. And once again, I had naff nails in the last video. I've just noticed naff nails in this one as well, but hey, it's fine. I am, yeah, in my craft room today, cut the house myself. I have a mega project, what I would describe as a mega project, because I hate this job. I hate this job every year. I do this once a year at catalogue time, and it's worse this year because of the colour refresh. And it is sorting out my cardstock and dinosaur paper. I hate this job so much that I quite often don't pull out. If we retire a catalogue, so like the Christmas catalogue, I quite often don't pull that paper out until I absolutely have to, because I just hate it. I hate this job. All of my cardstock is stored, usually, in these two squares. I have bins, they are in front of me. I am leaning on them at the moment. They're very handy for vlogging, save my elbow. And yeah, kind of it. So I've got to sort them out because we've got 11. No, we've not. We've got 15 colours retiring. 15, 16. Some colours retiring. I have a list. I've shown you the list already, and I'm sad about some of them. I'm quite excited though. I haven't got any of the returning colours coming in this pre-order. Haven't ordered any of those yet. I've ordered the new in colours, but haven't ordered the returning colours as yet because I've still got I've got all the returning colours. I've still got the ink pads for, so I've not gone for those. But whether I last out the end of pre-order before I order, I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see. My team leader does a voucher scheme, and so I've got quite a lot of vouchers. So I'm kind of umming and ahhing about whether I buy the new colours or whether I use my vouchers. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, sorting out the cardstock and designer series paper situation. I will switch this camera around and show you what a disaster it is. Okay. So this is my, I have two boxes. I have white, this is all white, mixed because I can't work out what's thick and what's standard weight, basic white. Neutrals, in colours, and brights in this box. And then this box is Regal's, subtles and designer's paper, and my spare still sealed basic whites because you can never have too much basic white. And I had a period where I basically ran out of it. And I gave myself palpitations that I had about 3 sheets left. And yeah, I don't want that to happen again. So I've now got 2 spare packs of standard weight basic white in my craft room. So yeah, I have got to pull out all of the colours that are retiring out of these boxes. I don't know, I'm actually going to take everything out of these boxes and start again, because there's like, I mean, can you see what that is? In colours, that's Lost Lagoon, actually. I've still got some Lost Lagoon. And, which is why it's in here, because I found it in a different drawer. And then we have some craft room like that, where you just have like drawers and drawers and drawers of stuff that just doesn't quite go anywhere, and it just sits there forever. I'm sure I'm not the only one that happens to, where, yeah, I have drawers of stuff. Actually, I've got a whole chest of drawers of 4 drawers of stuff. I don't really need. One of them's got my Forever collection of Stampin' Up in, which I also need to sort out because I don't dive into it very often. And there's some of the stamp sets that are retired this time that need to go in it. So I need to pull out what I don't actually want to keep. But I'm not doing that today because this is going to be bad enough. So I'm gonna put this down. I'm not going to talk you through it because it's just boring. It's really boring. I'm going to watch YouTube and pull out all my cardstock, and I will show you what these look like when I've finished. I'm also currently trying to decide. Currently I store things in Colour Family, whether that's my cardstock or my ink pads, all in Colour Family. I'm really tempted to try Rainbow again this year. But I think I'll probably do my ink pads first. Get my Rainbow soft ink pads and then, but I need to wait for new ink pads for that. So that's it. I will catch up with you when I've done this. So, oh, that took me about 45 minutes to pull out all the retired stuff. I have now a massive pile of, that's everything that's retired that was in these boxes. But I'm gonna do something. I'm going for it. I'm jumping with both feet. I'm gonna do the rainbow. I have taken Patty Bennett's word on this. So she has on her blog a rainbow order, including the new colours, and I'm gonna use her suggestion as a starting point at least, and I can move things around from there. I am going to do my cardstock because the other thing I found is I found a few really colours that I think might be really old colours, so in my stash. So like this, oh sorry I managed to kill my camera, this piece, so this is Blushing Bride. I think this might be a piece of Pink Pirouette. But I don't know. It might not be. I need to get my ink pad out to compare it. So I've now got, I thought I'll make some swatches. So I've got 4x4 squares of all the retired colours that I can find, plus a couple of extras. This one, which might be Blueberry Bushel that's come back, that was in with Pacific Point. I found a brand new pack of Pool Party that I nearly died and thought, because I thought it was mint macaron. It's not, as Pool Party. So I'm gonna pull every colour out that I've got because I need a 4x4 swatch anyway. I'm gonna make myself my own little colour swatchy thing, because why not? Why not? I like having a library of colours. It's fun, and I haven't had one for a while. So the next thing is to pull out all of this. I will show you what my boxes now look like. Can't get my words out. So this is not that dissimilar, to be fair. This is the in colours. So this is in colours that I've pulled out here, but obviously Fresh Freeze is staying, so that's why it's still there. Brights, in colours, neutrals and basic white. There's a couple of neutral colours that are going. Merry Mellow I had one sheet of. Soft Suede I had 2 half sheets of. Sahara Sand I did have quite a bit of, to be fair, but yeah, and there might even still be some in it. I've got, this is the other reason why things need pulling out. Can you see? There's all sorts of stuff down there, so I need to pull everything out. This box looks a little bit more sad, but it does mean I can show you. Let me move around my desk. You're on a desk in the middle of the room. So yeah, this is my pack of Pool Party that I found. This is how I store my cardstock inside those boxes. So I have 6 of these. These are just basic file folders, but they're the flat ones and they open fully on the side, because a lot of them, they're pinned at the bottom, and so you end up with a kind of concertina that's really awkward. But these completely open all the way. It took me ages to find them. Oh, I think they might have come off Amazon after I'm on the floor. This is the one that usually houses my DSP, which is why it's completely empty. And why this box here with my subtles and regals in looks quite so sad. But yeah, they're super handy. It might be easier to show you that way. Yeah, so that you can see they open all the way up. So yeah, that's kind of my next job, is to pull out everything into rainbow order and see if I like it. Scary times, but I'm going to try. I want to see if it works for me, because I kind of get what people say about it. That it would be good to have all my reds together and all my pinks together, and I can pull out the colour that I that, you know, the right colour, rather than looking at brights all the time or regals or whatever. So we'll see. Change it up. Always interesting. Always interesting to change it up. What is the weather doing today? I've been out for a run this morning. I did 7.5k this morning. Because I'm in training for a 10k at the moment. And it was alright then, but it's looking really miserable now. Oh, goodness. Right, getting on with my rainbow. Okay, so it's done. This is rainbow order with some gaps in it because I'm gonna get down on the floor. Because I haven't, like, there's some cardstock I haven't got yet. I am missing the new in colours and returning colours. I haven't, oh, mind the mess, haven't done my ink pads yet. You can see I've got some well-retired style ink pads in there at the moment just because I happen to have them in my collection. So they're in there at the minute, but they will be replaced by new style. So this has taken me forever, mostly because let me just show you my pile of basic white scraps. So that's probably about half the amount of basic white that I did have. But can somebody explain to me, like, why did I keep this? Why did I keep this? Why did this not go in the bin? So most of the sheets are like that, or they've got part stamp on, or there's just like, yeah, ridiculous, utterly ridiculous. So my new catalogue resolution is to bin the scraps. I'm going to bin more cardstock this year, recycle more cardstock this year, because that's ridiculous. But I mean, it's pretty. It's really pretty. I am looking forward to trying the rainbow order for a little bit. I can always put it back if it's a disaster. I do now need, because have you spotted the problem with this solution? Yeah, there is now no space for any DSP. So I have already been on Amazon to see if I can find, these are actually, I thought these were Amazon, but they're actually from Wilkinson's, but they don't do them anymore. So I now need to find an alternative. I have a couple of ideas. They've all got like flappy lids on, like that flap like straight over the top, which I don't want. I just want them open. But I can always like hack that bit off or whatever. But my problem is that they're coming out at like £10. It's fine, and then you put the postage on, and it's like £18, and I'm like, I'm not paying that. So there's a line, and that's it. So that is probably me done for today. I will be, but this video isn't the end of this vlog because I know that my pre-order's coming in this week, hopefully, fingers crossed, everything crossed that comes this week. And I'll tack that on. So hopefully, by the power of YouTube magic, you will now be transported to pre-order. Oh, so I am a bad vlogger. I have completely forgotten where I left off with this video. If I'm completely honest, I was hoping that when I filmed the last bit, I would get my pre-order in, and it hasn't come yet. I've got some minor shipping issues, purely because you guys have been going mad ordering. There's been that many orders that they're a little bit backlogged. Saying that, there is a free shipping offer today. So the day this video goes live, there is a free shipping deal. I will put the details in the description. So yeah, get on that, because you got your last chance products and your free shipping today. So yeah, so basically I've sort of come to sort of wrap up this vlog because it's about a week since I last filmed, and nothing has happened. Nothing has happened in my craft room. It's tidy-ish on my desk. I'm about to make some things, do some crafting for some challenges this week, and they'll be going up on my blog later this week. And yeah, I've sent 2 emails this week. I'm really sorry if you're on my email subscriber list, because normally I try for 1 a week. It's usually probably 1 a fortnight-ish, varies. And I've sent 2 in the last 2 days because Stampin' Up didn't tell us we were having free shipping. They just didn't bother telling us. So I've had to send another one. But never mind. If you're not an email subscriber, the link to that is in the down bar below too. Down there. Get on that, because I do email more than I do anything else probably. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you're well, and I will be, hopefully. I've had the notification that my box has shipped, my pre-order, So my hope is to do that unboxing over the weekend. We shall see. I'm excited. All right, bye for now.